Here's how to transfer an existing AT&T wireless line from a physical SIM card to an eSIM on a compatible phone without calling customer support in just 2 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to move your AT&T line to an eSIM directly from your phone without contacting support. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll manage your cellular connection. Once you're inside, tap Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your device. You should see your current AT&T mobile plan listed on the screen. If your device supports direct conversion, you'll also see a Convert to eSIM option. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi throughout the process to avoid activation issues. Next, tap Convert to eSIM. A screen will explain that your physical SIM can be moved to an eSIM on the same device. Then, tap Convert to eSIM again to confirm that you want to continue with the transfer. After that, authenticate the request if your phone asks for it. Depending on your device, you'll see a prompt for Face ID, Touch ID, fingerprint authentication, or your device passcode. Complete the verification to authorize the conversion. Now wait while your phone activates the eSIM. You'll see an activation progress screen as the device downloads and configures your new AT&T eSIM profile. Keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and avoid closing the Settings app during this step. Once the activation finishes, your AT&T service should reconnect automatically using the eSIM. If the Convert to eSIM option doesn't appear, your device may not support direct on-device conversion, so you'll need to use AT&T's online Manage My SIM option instead. If your phone shows no service after activation, restart the device and allow it a minute to reconnect to the network. Once everything is set, your AT&T line will be active on the phone's eSIM and the original physical SIM will no longer provide service. You can then remove the old SIM card from the device. Following these simple steps makes transferring your AT&T physical SIM to an eSIM quick and easy.